This is a 2019 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe. This is a very nostalgic styled Harley cruiser. The color of this Deluxe is Wicked Red and Twisted Cherry. It's a great two-tone metallic color. This bike is in like-new condition with only 6,070 original miles on the odometer. The bike is equipped with a 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, mated to a 6-speed transmission. This bike has plenty of power, plenty of torque, and actually is quite a bit lighter than, say, a Road King or the other touring models. This bike just screams nostalgic. Has chrome spoke wheels with wide white walls, big full fenders, nostalgic floorboards, beach bars, nice detachable windshield. All the lighting on it is LED, not only the headlight, but the dual driving lights are LED, with LED turn signals front and rear. It's equipped with the LED tombstone taillight. Which really sets off this bike. Now the locking saddlebags are from Harley Davidson and have been added to this Deluxe. So it gives you the option to carry your gear and your passenger if you're going to go out for a day trip or an overnighter or for the weekend. The passenger's backrest is detachable, and it also locks along with the saddlebags. Nice custom Harley passenger pegs have been added. Just a great color. It's a chrome belt guard. This bike has the Harley Davidson security system, ABS brakes, nice chrome Harley Davidson risers, headlight and driving light bezels. Just a sharp looking bike. The chrome goes really good with this metallic two-tone color. Bike is in just excellent condition. Runs really strong with the 107 cubic inch engine. And you can make it into a solo bike fairly easily. You can pop off the backrest, pop off the back seat. The saddlebags come off with just 2 bolts. And you have a really cool looking solo bike. It also has keyless ignition. market for a new Harley cruising bike, take a good look at this 2019 Deluxe. Great nostalgic looks, great paint job. I love the chrome spokes and the wide white walls. It's set up with the right accessories, with the saddlebags and the passenger backrest, so you can take a weekend trip, carry your gear, take your passenger with you. Plenty of power, low mileage. Can't hardly go wrong. Save yourself thousands of dollars off of MSRP at your local boutique dealership. Don't get stuck paying the title doc fees and the setup fees and the freight fees and all the other mystery fees. And give Will a call at Dream Cycles USA. It can be reached at 417-343-3696. It can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.